Oh, I love the dude. How were finals?
You know, I was thinking I should stay home.
What?
No, you can see Bennett when you get back.
No, that's over. That's done.
Oh, Roscoe now, right. No, Aristotle, Theobulus set you up?
Yeah, which is why that is over too. I wanted to study this summer.
Just take a break from your perfect GPA. You put too much pressure on yourself.
It's Greece. For Papu. Papu. Give me a word, any word, and I show you how the root of that word is Greek.
Nachos.
The family came to say goodbye.
Everyone?
Yeah.
It says maximum 20 people.
That's 6 Greeks. Everyone suck it in.
I got it.
Snacks. You can't afford since you got fired.
Retired.
A Greek man retires a week after he is dead.
Hey, good one. Come on.
What's that?
Let's go over to the restaurant. I got my kids on ships.
I ordered the beef.
I ordered the fish. Take care of my mom.
We will.
You're good cousins.
I am.
We gotta go.
Flight 204 departing.
Is every Greek in Chicago on this plane?
Everyone going to the homeland, sit down.
Big family trip. Aunt Toula, I'm in charge. You report to me.
I found my bikini from 1972.
Oh,
Who wants souvlaki? Who wants souvlaki? Homemade. I made it.
Paging Souvlaki. Anybody by the name of Souvlaki on this flight?
Take this evil eye to protect you.
Yeah, you know I don't believe in the Greek voodoo.
That's why you're still single.
we found out we're related to Alexander the Great.
Me too.
Hey!
All right. Whoa. Wait a minute, Ian. Where are you going? Your seat's back there, right? So we're trying to have a little fun here, okay?
I'm fine.
When? Doesn't matter, Ian, because I need to try and get some sleep.
It's the big button.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain. Please take your seats and make sure your seatbelts are securely fastened. We are ready for takeoff.
Good. My assistant's here. Family documents.
The family. Paris,
Aristotle, what?
I didn't know you were gonna be here.
What are you doing here?
Your Theobula hired me to help her on a trip. I didn't know that you were gonna be here.
That's right. They know each other.
What a coincidence. It's such a nice Greek boy.
They had an amazing date. She ghosted him.
Why can't this family respect my boundaries? Get any space.
You want space, you got it. Forget I'm here, you won't even see me. Can we switch?
No, sit down. Makeup.
That's Aristotle. I have to switch seats with Paris. I need.
Let them work it out.
Oh, something else is going on with Paris.
Don't. It's none of our business.
Oh, we are so different.
You must sit down, or we are not going to Greece.